Hi guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. We're doing a walkthrough video on this new in 2025 Harris 250 Solstice. We have this one in the saltwater edition. You got the anodes on it. Take this on the coast. This one is in the metallic black color. You got the black powder coated fencing. This one has the Halo power tower on it, or the power bimini. Nice touch there, really convenient. Up here, you'll see we got pop-up cleats. We have our docking lights as well as navigation lights. Sleek looking Solstice emblem here by Harris. It's a sharp looking boat. Coming around to the back side, I'll show you some of the features here. This one we opted with the swim seat. Pop this out, this flips down. Gives you a nice spot to hang out or enter the boat. I know dog owners really love this. It's easy in and out for them. I'll show you the ladder here in a second. That's also kind of accommodating for your pets as well. Or older guests, or honestly just easy to get in and out of the boat. So we got the lily pad ladder here. This is an upgrade for this year. Nice entry point, larger steps. Like I said, it's easier for dogs to get in or just anybody to find your step and get up and into the boat. Crawling into this thing, see it's easy in and out. Before you hop up, I'll show you how you pull it up and deploy it. You got this pull cord, really easy up and down. No more getting on a knee and trying to lean down and grab the ladder, get it up when you're trying to take off. We'll hop up into the boat and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. All right, hopping onto the inside of the boat here. First things first, we have this boat powered with a 300 horsepower V8 Mercury outboard. Black cowling matches the outside of the boat perfectly. This one we have the ski tow bar on. Very robust, pull tubers, skiers, any of your water sports. It's an awesome selection for this boat. Moving on to the inside, we have this. You'll notice we have this one in the CWDH layout. That way you get benches in the back and the front, and you get dual captain's chairs. Here you'll see you kind of have like a lounger in the back as well. You got flip down armrests, dedicated spot for your garbage cans on either side. You can do two or one or the other. Nice touch, you don't have to have anybody get up and out of their seat. Put these back up. You got storage underneath all these seats back here. You got your battery compartments back here. You got cup holders everywhere. Illuminated cup holders in this one. You got more storage on this side. All your seat-based storage is gonna be water managed, so all that's gonna stay dry while you're out in the water. This one we have the JL audio packaging as well, so you got speakers back here, you got speakers in the front, you even got speakers back here on the transom for when you're out at the swim, out at the sandbar or just out swimming, anchored out. Moving up into the mid section of the boat, we got our dual captain's chairs. All these are gonna swivel, slide, and recline. Over on the helm side, you'll notice we have the elevated helm, the raised helm. It's a nice touch for the Solstice model. Very luxurious. Sliding in here to the helm. You'll notice it's very comfortable. You got a lot of leg room here. I'm 6'1" and I can spread out as far as I can stretch. Over here we have our JL audio stereo head. Bluetooth connectivity, of course. We have our nice Simrad display here. This is gonna be touchscreen. You got mapping, sonar. You can even put your gauge clusters up here that match up nicely with your gauges on the side. And then coming over here, you got all your default buttons, navigation, auxiliary, underwater lights. You got up and down for your power bimini here, which is nicely placed, very convenient to touch. Over here you have your digital throttle, very smooth, in and out of gear. You guys will love this one. And we even have this on a tilt-based steering. Very adjustable. Moving on up forward, I'm gonna move our cover there. This one we opted for this kick-up side table. Awesome spot to put out snacks. You order pizza, bring it on board. Good place to display all your food and drinks. Moving on up, you'll notice we have a massive in-floor storage locker here. It's the largest in the industry. You'll see this one comes with your extra Harris bag. We got the table under there. That'll be mounted up as well. Moving on forward, this one has a ton of bow seating. You'll definitely notice that on the 250, very spacious, very comfortable seat backs. The upholstery is super plush. Again, you have tons of storage in this boat. Either side, all of it water managed. You got flip down armrests on these seats as well, on the loungers, and you even have some USB and USB-C chargers on either side. You'll get that in the front and the back. It's an awesome boat. We'd love for you guys to come out and see it. Again, this is Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Hope to see you here soon. Thanks.